Yes, I did.
I just put my
Wow, yeah.
And it held everything I needed it to. So. Wish you could have been here.
Yeah.
Grandma Courtney.
There's Grandma. Yep, we wish you could be here too. She can hug your belly. And she's holding a sunshine. A sunny.
And read the bottom.
Oh, read the bottom? Great grandmother's angel.
Oh, wow.
Well, she put Sunny on there.
Linda wrote that on there for you.
Oh.
It's cute. I know the first place to put that.
That's so neat.
And that is cute.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, she just couldn't believe we found that with the holding the sunshine.
I know, that's so neat.
Oh, I guess from above. That is pretty. Wow.
Is it one of those soft ones too?
Yeah, it's super soft.
Oh, good.
That's cool.
Nice blanket.
Pretty too.
It is. That's beautiful. That's like a
Are you
take.
recording?
Uh-huh.
Thank you. From Sunny.
Thank you from Sunny. And here's everybody. Grandma Courtney.
Hi.
There's our little helper.
Thanks, Tori. This is cute. Oh, from Tessie?
Well, it had a little